Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Flexbox or Grid in Elementor layout. Understanding which layout option to use can make a significant difference in how your page elements are arranged and how much control you have over their positioning. Let's walk through this step by step. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and click on Add Page. This will create a new blank page for you to work with. Next, you'll see the Edit with Elementor button. Click on it to launch the Elementor editor where you'll be building your layout. Now you're inside the Elementor canvas. Look for the big plus icon and click on it to add a new container. This is where the important decision comes in. Elementor will present you with two main layout options, Flexbox and Grid, and choosing the right one depends on what you're trying to achieve. Select Flexbox if you want items arranged in both rows and columns with more flexibility. Flexbox is ideal when you need elements to flow naturally and adapt to different screen sizes without rigid positioning. It's perfect for things like navigation menus, card layouts, or any design where elements need to wrap and adjust fluidly. After selecting Flexbox, you'll see various structure options appear. Choose the structure that best matches your design vision. Now let's explore the alternative. Click the big plus icon again to add another new container. This time select Grid when you need precise control over rows and columns. Grid layout is your go-to option when you want exact placement of elements in a structured format like magazine-style layouts, galleries, or complex multi-column designs where you need specific items to occupy certain spaces. Once you've selected Grid, browse through the available structures and select what you prefer for your page design. The key difference here is that Flexbox gives you fluid, adaptive layouts, while Grid gives you structured, controlled positioning. Flexbox works best for one-dimensional layouts where items flow in a single direction, whereas Grid excels at two-dimensional layouts where you need control over both rows and columns simultaneously. Once you've made your choice and set up your preferred structure, it's time to save your work. Click Publish at the upper right of the page if you're ready to make it live, or click Save Draft beside the Publish button if you want to continue working on it later. And that's how you choose between Flexbox and Grid in Elementor layout based on your specific design needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.